Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, you will probably notice that this is not a music related video or anything of the sort. But I have been very inspired in the last month to do a lot of DIY projects and home improvement projects and redecorating projects, and I am just very happy with the way things have turned out. And everything that I'm about to show you either came from Walmart, the Dollar General, or I made it myself. So extremely affordable, and that makes it nice because you can switch it out for new decorations anytime you'd like. I will start by flipping this over because it is now Tuesday the 13th of March, and I found this at the Dollar General. In fact, everything on this table was purchased at the Dollar General minus the glass globe and the berry vines. But I am so pleased with everything. This here you can hang on the wall if you want. I'm really into the farmhouse feel right now. And this little thing, you can clip notes on there, memos, or anything that you want to keep in sight. And I am completely in love with this little pig. It is probably the best find of the year. I set him right where I can see him when I first walk in, and this little sign also came from the Dollar General, along with these two mini Crocs and the container that I have the measuring cups in. The barn and chicken came from Walmart, and the sign behind it was a DIY project. These two Pioneer Woman pieces I've had for a while, purchased at Walmart, but I wanted to add to that. So I got this tea tray from the Dollar General, and I do drink an awful lot of tea. So the cool thing about that is that you can use it as a tray or you can use it as a decorative piece. This blueberry sign also came from the Dollar General for $2. We are going downstairs into the basement, which is our playroom, and I will point out that the two doors in the far back wall, I decided to paint them yesterday. They were very dark brown and I got tired of seeing that, so I painted them. This door was found in the garage of this house whenever we bought it, and it was already pretty old looking, so I didn't have to do much, but I just sandpapered it to give it that more of a farmhouse feel, which is definitely the vibe that I was going for. This is a very old dresser dating back to the 50s that was given to me by my grandmother, and it was kind of like a ugly brown color and it didn't go with anything, so I decided to whitewash it. And how I did it was by just going over it very lightly with one coat, and then I took a rag and wiped over it just to give it the appearance of the farmhouse antique shabby chic look. Home sign and picture frame came from the Dollar General for around $3. The mason jar I had, and I'm going to fill them up with some spring flowers as soon as I get them. These two lampshades were given to me by my grandmother, and the mirror came along with the dresser. And the two birds that are on the dresser is something that I've had for a while, and I thought that they just completed the look. The glass in the mirror is very old and I cannot get the streaks off of it, so I'm gonna probably get that replaced here sometime soon. Back upstairs, I will show you this little find that I got on my wall for $1, and it fits the space very well. For me, I was trying to see if I could stick to a budget of $50 for everything that I wanted to do, and I actually did that. The ladder was found on the property of the house that we bought. The very berry vines I had, so I wrapped both ladders up in that, the one on the wall and the one right here. My husband actually made this stand a few years ago for me. It was sitting in my bedroom, and I just repainted it and brought it out. The only thing that's new on this stand is the mason jars were recently painted and filled up with some berry vines. And I just used a burgundy spray paint that I actually had left over from whenever we moved into the house and I was doing some other projects. I always kept this window completely covered up by curtains, but I recently took it down because I realized that I wanted the original farmhouse feel that this window gives. But I did have to sacrifice a little bit of privacy because you can clearly look into the living room straight from the breezeway. Moving on to the couch, I got these 2 home pillows also at Walmart, and the fluffy one in the middle as well, and the 2 owl pillows were bought years ago at Pier 1. Moving on to my side table, this lantern was purchased at Walmart. This picture frame, which I adore, came from the Dollar General. The 2 fake plants and the candle, also from Dollar General. The I Can't Adult Today sign has to be one of my favorite purchases, came from the Dollar General, and the little red bird playing the guitar is adorable, also from the Dollar General, although I bought that last summer. And the crate in which everything is sitting on was made by my husband. In the foyer, this wooden bench was made for me by my brother-in-law for Christmas, and the decorations on top by my father for Christmas, and the 2 bins underneath was purchased from Walmart, and I can't remember where I got the pillow, but I've had it for a very long time. There isn't too much to say about the bathroom except for we had it painted a lilac color, and I've really been into grays lately, so I redid that last month. And of course, I had to do a gray accent wall in my bedroom to match the bathroom. Although the bedroom is a work in progress, I want to take this frame that I made and put some twine across it and turn it into a picture frame in the future. The wicker basket and clock sitting on top of this corner hutch is a purchase from Walmart. The baby in the background I have had for a while and cannot be purchased anywhere in stores locally. Okay, now on my door there is a welcome farm shop sausage and bacon sign, which I adore. We do not live on a farm, we live beside a farm, but we do raise our own chickens and pigs, so you know, some of this rings true, and I absolutely love this mug. Both of these, the sign and the mug, was from Dollar General. I can use this for my tea, soup, or cereal in the morning, and I just set it right on my Keurig. Now these are some of my Easter decorations that I just got at the Dollar General because spring is just around the corner. I got this We Believe in the Easter Bunny sign and the plastic bunny beside it for under $4, and they both seem to be of good quality. Most of the stuff at our Dollar General was sold out of their Easter products, so I'm gonna have to go to our Walmart and see what they have, but I was able to get a few more cute things for around the house. I got another wooden sign and a couple more Easter bunnies, and I like their shirts made out of burlap. Now last but not least, on my foyer door I got a door sign. It is literally a door sign on my door, and it's made out of pretty thick wood. None of this is cheap material, it's all wood and seems of decent quality for the price. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell for future notifications. Have a great day.